This is my 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland 4x4. I recently bought it, it's used, and the fender was a little bit loose and it broke off. And then I noticed all these little orange things on the ground, and I figured I need to get this replaced, and this costs quite a bit of money to get it replaced when you go to the shop. So I figured I'm gonna do it myself, but also let you know what I did and how I did it. And so I went to the local store and I got me some molding retainer clips that look exactly like the one that I had before, and I'll show you what I mean by that, as well as here's the fender. Okay, so first thing that I noticed was like, I gotta figure out what to do with these clips. Do I need to get like a pry bar or something? I don't know. But let me see. Oh, they just twist out. Okay, so this is what they look like when they twist out. Fine. Alright, well, when I went to the store, I had to make sure that I got the same kind, even though they're different color. And then I figured also, I'd take one of the ones from the ground and see if it also matched up. This one was actually intact, so let's see if it matches up. They look fairly similar to me, so we're gonna just do what we gotta do to replace these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them all out. This one isn't. Maybe I gotta find this little spot. Maybe that's here. This hurts. I'm trying. You don't want to come out. Alright. Well, I got an option for that. I'm gonna come back to the car. We're gonna get that out. Maybe this is not a good idea. I wish I had one that was like an actual, had like a hook in it. I don't got no hook in it. There we go. Come on now. So now we can take a look at the clamp, the whole clamp, minus the piece, and say, okay, that this is pretty much the same thing. We're gonna open it up. This is the piece. Let's see if it'll go. Well, that works. I don't know about this right here specifically, but that goes. So we're gonna make it work. So, all right, let's go ahead and make it happen. All right, so let's just clamp these in so that you can see what I'm doing. I just gotta put this clamp in and that clamp in. I'm gonna pull this one out right now and put those two clamps in on these two sides of here. This one and that one. Okay, now that we got them out, go ahead and insert these clamps. Bam. And then this one here. This one seems a little bit different though. This is like a main clamp. Ah, okay, so it's got a different little hole in it. Okay, cool, so that one goes that way. Okay, cool, so now we're ready to insert. So you wanna go ahead and take this and just, I guess, just pop it in. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy. I'm smart. Wow, that was simple. You probably even heard it click. There you have it, folks. There you have it. So that's how you fix a rear fender on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. From start to finish, you can get the clamps at any one of your local hardware stores. It was a less than $10 fix, less than $10. And I'm sure if I took it to a body shop, they would have charged me a lot for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up everything that I got here, and we're good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good one. Bye.